How do I diagnose a check engine light? Diagnosing a check engine light can be done using a few steps to help identify the underlying issue. The check engine light, also known as the malfunction indicator lamp MIL, illuminates on your vehicle's dashboard to indicate that the engine's computer has detected a problem with the engine or emission system. Here is a step-by-step guide to diagnose a check engine light. 1. Check for immediate issues. If the check engine light is flashing, it indicates a severe issue that requires immediate attention. In such cases, it's recommended to pull over safely and have the vehicle towed to a qualified mechanic to prevent further damage. 2. Check fuel cap. Sometimes, a loose or improperly sealed fuel cap can trigger the check engine light. Make sure the fuel cap is properly tightened and secured. After tightening the cap, the check engine light may turn off after a few driving cycles. 3. Check the OBD II code. The check engine light is triggered when the vehicle's onboard diagnostic OBD II system detects a fault. To identify the specific issue, you'll need an OBD II scanner or code reader. Many auto parts stores offer free code scanning services. 4. Interpret the trouble code. Once you have the trouble code S, look up the specific codes in the vehicle's service manual or search online to find the potential cause S of the problem. OBD II codes are alphanumeric and typically start with P example, P0420, P0301, etc. 5. Perform basic visual inspection. Inspect the engine bay for any obvious signs of issues, such as disconnected or damaged hoses, wires, or loose connectors. 6. Address basic maintenance. Ensure that basic maintenance items, such as oil change, air filter replacement, and spark plug replacement, are up to date, as these can sometimes trigger the check engine light. 7. Consult a mechanic. If you cannot identify or address the issue yourself, it's best to take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic or dealership for a proper diagnosis and repair. Remember that while diagnosing the check engine light can provide useful information, it's not a substitute for a professional mechanic's expertise. A qualified technician can use advanced diagnostic tools and experience to accurately pinpoint and fix the problem with your vehicle. Ignoring a check engine light could lead to more significant issues and potentially costly repairs if not addressed promptly.